Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Complete the series and series is given. Let's try to first find if there is some sort of relation between individual members of the series. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Now AZA is 126 1. BYE is 225 and 5. CXI is 324 9. DWO is 423 and 15. So we have to figure out the next member. Now if we look at the first letters, we'll find that they are written in natural numbers, counting numbers. So first, second, third, fourth. First letter of next member will be fifth letter. So that is E. So we can eliminate these two options. The second, if we observe second letters, we find, let's remove this. We find that second letters are written in counting numbers but in reverse order, that is 26, 25, 24, 23. So second letter of next member will be 22nd, which is V. So we can eliminate first option and answer must be EVU, that is C. Let's get to that option by observing third letters as well. So third letter of first member is first, fifth, here it's ninth, and it's 15th. So let's try to find if there is some sort of common difference between these numbers. So 5 minus 1 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4, 15 minus 9 is 6. So maybe this sequence is going in 4 4 6 6 8 8 way. So the next letter will be 15 plus 6, which is 21st, and which is U. So answer is option C.